Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Shandy. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to comment down below as well. So we are just going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so I placed some eye patches. These are from Amazon. There's 200 pieces in here. I'm not sure, it doesn't say the brand, but it comes in this package right here. And the reason I went ahead and put these on is just because there's probably going to be some fallout. So this is just going to help protect because I already do have foundation on. So to get started, we're going to go into our Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. And I'm going to take my ColourPop E21 brush for this. And we're going to go into the blue shade in here. It's called Ride or Sky. And we're going to put that directly in the crease. So this blue right here. I'm kind of packing it on the brush and then I'm tapping off. Let me zoom you in just a little bit more. So again, you're going to go directly into that crease. And then I'm just going to bring it out all the way to that eye patch. So I'm going to go right back into that blue shade because what I'm going to do is I'm going to build up this blue. So again, you're going directly in the crease and then you're going to go above it just a little bit, not too much, because we're going to add a shade on top of that. So right now I'm just making sure I have that blue intense. So we really want that blue to stand out. And I do apologize, I don't know if you can hear my daughter in the background or not. She's in the other room, but I can hear the iPad from here, so I'm sure you guys can too. So then it should look like that. Okay, so once we have that blue down, we're going to go in with ColourPop E19 brush, our ColourPop E19 brush. And I'm going to go into that Lilac You a Lot by ColourPop palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Iffy. So it's that purple right there. And I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to put this right above that blue. So as you can tell, I'm putting it directly on top of that blue, and then we're going to blend it out after I have it placed on top. So right now, I just want to make sure that I have that color on there, because I want to make sure that that is intense, and you know, we're going to be able to see it. Okay, so then once I have that down, I'm going to wipe off my brush on a paper towel that's in front of me. And now, what I'm going to do is just kind of blend those two shades together. Now this brush that I'm using right now, it's a lot more fluffier. The one for the blue was a lot more dense. So that's why I like this brush to go on top, because it's a lot easier to blend those two shades together. So then it should look like something like that. Okay, so once I have those shades down and blended out, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop E3 brush, so any flat brush will do, and then my P. Louise And then I'm just going to put that all over the base of my lid. Now for this P. Louise, you can bring it up as high as you want. It is completely up to you. But for me, I'm going just a little bit above my crease. Not too much. And then what I'm doing is I'm just kind of blending that P. Louise out and then wiping on a paper towel because that blue shade will pick up onto your brush. So you don't want to like smear that blue around on your lid. Alrighty, so now what I'm going to do is take another flat brush. And this is my ColourPop E3 brush. Is it the same brush? Yes, it is. It's the exact same brush other than it's just a different color. And then I'm going to go into my Going Coconuts by ColourPop palette here. And I'm going to go into the shade Palm Reader. So it's this white shade right here. And I'm going to put that everywhere that I put that P. Louise. So I'm just packing my brush with it. And then tapping off a little bit. And then again, I'm just placing that everywhere that I put that P. Louise. And what I'm doing is I'm patting it in. That way it makes it just a little bit more intense rather than just kind of blending it on there. Okay, what I'm going to do now is take a really small brush. This is my ColourPop L1, and I'm going to go back into that blue shade because I feel like I lost a little bit more than what I had wanted. And I'm just going to go, as you can tell, I'm going like right on where I had cut that with my P. Louise. So as you can see, that blue line. Okay, so I just removed those under eye patches that I had on for the protection. And it does leave like a little kind of like an indent in a way, like it leaves a line. But that's perfectly fine because it'll go away after a few minutes. Just kind of do keep that in mind, it does go away. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that blue and I'm going to take my ColourPop E20 brush. It's just this really small brush right here, and I'm going to go on my lower lash line. Now taking that, Emma's in here now with us, but taking that exact same brush, we're going to go back into that Lilac You a Lot palette and back into that shade Iffy. And we're just going to go on our lower lash line with that now. Okay, and then I took this LA Girl Ultimate Eye Intense Stay Auto Liner in the shade GP326 on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to put some false lashes on and do my lips. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I applied my Ardell magnetic liner and lashes on top, my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara on bottom. And if you like colorful eyeshadows like me, then please subscribe below because there will be loads more on my channel. I really like how this eye look turned out, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in one of my next videos. Bye!